In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Safe Search on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin, and in that video I'll show you two different ways. So the first way is to open up your settings and here select Screen Time. Next, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions and there select Content Restrictions right here. Here you need to tap on Web Content and set up this option. You can switch it to Limit. You can choose between Unrestricted Access, Limit Adult Websites and Allow it Websites Only. So check if your checkmark is. So to turn off the Safe Search on iPhone, make sure that you select Unrestricted Access and go back. Also, you can check any options here like Web Search Content, Allow or Don't Allow, and a bunch of different options in Content Restriction section. But the main is Web Content and make sure that's Unrestricted Access. So I open up my browser and go to google.com, and here first I need to log in my account and there tap on that three lines icon to bring up the menu and here select Settings. And in Settings find Safe Search Filters and make sure that Show Explicit Results is turned on, because if you turn on Hide Explicit Results, you wouldn't be able to see some content. Just turn on Show Explicit Results and that's it. Now you turned off Safe Search on your iPhone. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.